y'all, so I got quite a few things to do today, and I decided to bring y'all along with me. For starters, my hair is in a bun, so I gotta get my hair braided down so I can start back working because I'm definitely behind really bad. Ooh. Definitely behind, but we're gonna catch up. So my little brother spent the night with me this weekend, and my mama on the way to come and get him and also braid my hair down as well. And my best friend is also coming over to help me tackle these used units and get them clean and ready to ship out for Black Friday sale. And I also just got up. I went ahead and tackled my orders from overnight, got them done and out of the way so I can get my day started. Currently still waiting on my mama. She should be here any minute, so I'll see y'all when she get here. Like between 8 to 10, as long as they flat and not bokeh, that's fine. Okay. Check this it, that's okay. Yeah. I think about investing into a camera, but I really don't want to.
Get me a iPhone, a new phone. Cause I'm just gonna go with that Pro.
The fact that my hair relaxed and I'm still tender-headed is crazy.
Yeah, that's real crazy.
You can tell them hi.
Tell them hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's a vlog.
It's like it ain't focused.
It's not. It's on cinematic mode.
I don't know how that works.
So it is now the next day. Me and my best friend watched all of these last night, and I'm probably going to install one of these today too. Not sure which one. Most likely this one, but I don't know. Really undecided. Okay, y'all, so around this time period, it was probably like 2:30, and me and my boyfriend decided to put our Christmas trees up and do a little bit more decorating in the living room. I had to pick my son up at 6:30, so I didn't even bother trying to start my hair because I feel like that was a waste of time. I was going to have to stop, so yeah. I just decided to do something else with my spare time. But honestly, me and my man was beefing the whole time. We was putting up the decorations, so I should have did something else with my spare time. Because why he trying to go to work on his day off? Like, I hate that he be overworking himself like that. He swear up and down he not overworking himself, but he definitely is. But that's another story for another day.
I ain't gonna work. I'm gonna fucking work. I'm gonna fucking work.
So you're not telling me to pick no zero then?
I'm gonna fucking work. I'm gonna fucking work. That's a must. Fuck got on this year.
So since we have higher ceilings this year, we decided to get a 9-foot tree. We should have went with the 12-foot because I thought the 9-foot was going to be a little taller than what it was, but it was still cute, so that's all that really matters. And y'all, I cannot stand this part of putting up a Christmas tree. Like, it really just pisses me off.
She tall as fuck.
You got an angel at the top of the tree?
Yeah, no, I ain't know what you wanted to do. I don't get that yet.
And you might put angel at the top of the tree.
Should I put a star on top of mine?
That's all to do that.
Okay, y'all, so as you can see, we got the first tree up. We still got to put the other one up. It's over there. I'm going to see if you can... Can't zoom in. Can't zoom in, but it's over there. We're going to put it at the top in this window up there. This is the ornaments we got. I'm putting the red and the champagne on the big tree and the white on the little one. My boyfriend had to go out and make his own video, so I'm going to try to do as much as I can of what I can reach by myself until he come back. And then, yeah, I'll come back when he back. So I lied. He want to help me finish, so I'm finna go outside with him while he washes his car, period. Got my juice, and we finna go. That tree is really fucking tall. We definitely gonna have to adjust the top, though, because it's giving very much crackhead at the top. But this our other tree. This one is the one that's going in the window. I think it's like 6.5 feet tall. Yeah, 6.5 feet tall, so. Yeah, I can't wait to finish. Damn, I can't wait to see the finishing look overall. Give me my car. So extra. What have you done? You made a mess. So I feel like we're trying to do too much at one time because it's already like 4:30 and I gotta be in Columbia at 6:30 to pick up my son, and it took an hour to get there, and we just all over the place. He currently making his video. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, we just doing too much. But it's okay. It'll all get done eventually. I just love how we both dedicated to doing this shit for real, because it's like, I don't know. We take this shit very, very seriously. Because, y'all, let's have a mini heart-to-heart. I just feel like my man is, like, the exact half of me. Like, we have some differences, but mostly overall, we the exact same person. And I love that because it's like, I feel like I can really be myself with him rather than, like, not faking it, but, like, not really showing my personality. And I love that I can do that. So after we finished up his video, he came back inside and helped me finish up the trees. We put the lights that we had on the first one, and we started the second one. After we finished the second tree, we went ahead and parted ways. He had to go to work. I had to pick up Nasir. And that was pretty much it for our little day together. I'd be so sad when he leave to go to work because I don't have any friends. Well, I have my best friend, but she's like 2 hours away. So he really my only friend that's close. So I'm currently on my way to pick up my son. We agreed to meet at 6:30. It's currently like 5:30. So we had a little bit more time to get some more stuff done. But yeah, I'll check back in once Nasir is with me. So me and Nasir are currently on our way back home, and he was throwing a tantrum back there, so I had to put my stars on the RGB fade mode so he can have something to pay attention to while I drive, because Coco Melon wasn't working anymore. So yeah, we about 15 minutes from the house. When we get home, I'm gonna try to finish up the trees and possibly do my hair tonight too. I don't know, because it's already almost, well, it's past 7 now. It's already past 7, so we're gonna see when we get done. Yeah, so I DoorDashed some more Christmas lights for the top part. I ordered about 6 boxes just in case it's not enough for the tree over here because we already put this one together. Also wanted to put some lights maybe on these too just to make it look a little bit more, I don't know, Christmassy in here. If that's a word, Christmassy. But yeah, finna put the lights back up there and put the ornaments on, and we should be done with the trees. And what's crazy is Nasir was scared of the Christmas tree when he first walked in, but by the end of the night, half of the damn ornaments that was at the bottom was in his room. Because one thing about Nasir, he gonna play with something he ain't got no business playing with. Okay, so both trees are done now. It's the other one. I missed a few spots, y'all, and I don't got no more lights. Might grab someone that's battery powered tomorrow because I'm not going nowhere else for no lights, so yeah. Finish them, let my boyfriend put this one up there tomorrow when he get off. But yeah, I'm finna clean this mess up and I'm probably gonna start my hair. So as y'all can see, I have my wig cap on. I gotta do my hair now. Think I'm about to do the highlighter. You know, I'm still undecided though because I don't really like highlights on me. But that's another story. If I don't want to wear that, I'll pick another one. It ain't nothing too serious. But I gotta count some inventory, and I also have to bag up those wigs to be ready for my Black Friday sale at the end of this month. Your girl is very, very busy, but I'm gonna get it all done tonight because I ain't got no more time to waste. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished with my hair. I didn't do the highlighter unit. I ended up doing the loose deep wave unit, and I'm absolutely in love. But that pretty much concludes my video. I hope y'all really enjoyed it, and make sure y'all liking and subscribing and all of that. And I will see y'all when I see y'all.
Do the Remy hair flowing from Peru.